Hi, Scott Wilcox here, the Bowtie Realtor, with today's 60-second home improvement tip. Today we are painting the fireplace. The inside of a fireplace is often overlooked, and our 1930s library fireplace could use a makeover. So after giving it a good cleaning, I placed plastic down to catch paint drips and laid out my tools. I then used Rust-Oleum high-heat black paint. Just make sure to use it in a well-ventilated area, have a fan on, and a window open because this stuff is toxic and will upset your olfactories. We did this with our living room fireplace and it greatly improved the overall look and feel. And here is the end result. Lovely to look at and fully functional. It was quite a hoot. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.